Bonjour, c'est Clara Clearly French. Today we're going to talk about why I think French is weird. On the one hand, it has some really whimsical words, such as un cerf-volant, which translates as a flying deer, God knows why. It's actually a kite. Un nœud papillon is a butterfly knot, literally. A bow tie. Un hurluberlu. Love this one. If you can't say the U sound, you've had it. An eccentric or a weirdo. Raplapla. Tired or unmotivated. It's a good one. Je suis raplapla. There's also un pamplemousse, which has a really nice sound. It's a grapefruit. Un tintamarre, a cacophony. Du bric-à-brac, a collection of odd items of knickknacks. I know in Britain we do use bric-à-brac. Une chouquette, which is a small sweet puff pastry sprinkled with sugar. Very good, by the way. On the other hand, sometimes it's frankly less imaginative. For instance, une table basse, a low table, is how we say a coffee table. That's much more boring than a coffee table. Les doigts de pied, fingers of the feet. We don't have a word for toes. Un grand magasin, a big shop, a department store. Un petit gâteau or un gâteau sec, literally a small cake or a dry cake, which is of course a biscuit or a cookie. Un porte-monnaie, literally a change carrier. A purse. Un rouge à lèvres, which is a red for lips. A lipstick. Un garde-manger, a food keeper, which is of course a pantry or a place to store food in your house. Un lance-pierre, a stone thrower, is of course a slingshot. Of course, what I want to know now is which one of these is your favorite, and also, can you think of any other funny or boring French words I might have forgotten? Let me know in the comments. Remember to claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. And also check out my Parler Français Level 1 to 3 course to speak French fast. You can download a free sample of each level at the link below.